Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial on how to make a watch stream streak alert. Recently, Twitch added the watch streaks to the API, and that means it's available with Mixup as well. So I made two simple alerts to let me know that I have a chatter who redeemed their streak. I have an alert for under 100 and I have an alert for 100 or more, and that's it. I'm not going to go crazy with alerts for watch streaks because I'd rather make a lot of cool things for like bits and subs, because that's how we're getting money. So but yeah, I'd like to have something to let me know, like, hey, there's a watch streak in chat. Sometimes you might miss chat, you might be focused on your game or something, or looking something up. So it's a good way to remind you to acknowledge people who have been watching your stream regularly. Okay, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about mix-up, Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Alright, presently I am on version 1.6.410.0. Okay, we're gonna go to the menu in the top left. We're gonna go to events, Twitch, then Twitch channel watch streak. It's above highlighted message and below mass subscriptions gifted. So if you press play, you'll see that you have a special identifier called $user watch streak. It's currently set to 5. And so if it's 5, they'll see this, or if it's less than 100, we'll say, like, let's say they get 99. Okay, if it's 99, they'll see this.
I love you.
But every streak above 100, then they will see this.
Nobody believes in you. What are you prepared to do about it? Don't let no one come into your house, take your meal, do what you need to do today. I'm not nervous. I'm just telling you.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I have those two alerts for less than 100 or 100 or greater. Okay. So yeah, we have two conditionals. Add conditional. $user watch streak is the streak for the particular user. We're checking if it is less than 100. If so, then inside the conditional, I have an overlay action. This is a video. It's got a green background, so I have a green. I have a mix-it-up overlay, a separate mix-it-up overlay to filter out the green background. I have the width set to 1250. Might be half the size for you because my overlay is messed up for some reason. For the position, it is 13, so it's set the percentage, 13 for X and 16 to Y. That puts it in the top left corner. Okay. And then I have the text, I have the username, and then I have the streak. So I'm going to add an overlay action again. This time set this one to text, and this one is set to video, the first one. For the second one, the text is set to $ user display name that displays the user, as well as retains the casing for that username, whatever casing they use. The font size is 664, but you might be able to set it to 32 because of my overlay issues. Choose your font name, choose your color. You can use a hex value if you want a hex value, but you're not sure what to choose with hex value. Go to Google and type in color picker to get the exact color that you want. Whatever hex value you get, paste it in here, including the hashtag. I set the max width to 100. That means after a certain point, instead of like extending off screen or going too far to the right, it'll just stay within that confinement of 1,000 pixels. So like this, for example, if I removed the 1,000 pixels off this, it just went like this, set it to, you know, unlimited, it would go off screen like that. So that's why I'm setting this to 1,000. Okay, for the position of the user, I have it set to percentage. for the type of position, and I have it to 22 for X and 23 for Y. You can duplicate this, and I set this to white to distinguish it from the user. Same font size. So over here, it's user display name, and then for this next one, it is thanks for the $sign user watch streak stream streak. Then for the position, percentage, for X, I put it to 14, and Y, I put it to 29. So you have it looking like that. Okay. Oh, and yeah, I have a duration set of 1.5 seconds. That is because this alert is very fast. So I also have the text leaving very quickly as well. And yeah, that is for less than 100. And then if you want to make one for 100 or more, duplicate this. Now instead of it being less than 100, set it to greater than equal to 100. Okay, change the video. Width stays the same. Okay, it's the same position. Same position. X is 13 and Y is 16. Position of this is the same. user display name is the same, and this is the same. So we're not really changing anything. You're just duplicating it. All you're changing is the condition here, greater than equal to 100. And that's it. That is all you need to set up a user watch stream streak alert for less than 100 and 100 or greater. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you appreciate this, if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Mix It Up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming Life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, thanks. See ya.